Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav, and in this video today we'll see about a very important concern that is growing globally around the nation of India. So if you see in India nowadays, many people are getting heart attack at a lesser age, that is like before 50, in the 40s also. So what is the reason for people to develop heart attack even at a younger age compared to other parts of the world? So if you see now today in this video, I'll list out the causes why there is incidence of heart attack at a younger age, mostly in the Indian population, and I'll also tell how to prevent these things. Okay, so the going into the causes, if we see the first cause is ethnicity. Now we can't do anything about it. So this is a risk factor when compared to other parts of the world. So this is because when you see Indian populations or Southeast populations are more prone of getting heart problems compared to other parts of the world. Now, this may be because South Asian populations are already more prone of getting hypertension and already more prone of getting diabetes. So when they get hypertension and diabetes very easily, then it is very easy for them to have heart problems also, because both hypertension as well as diabetes leads to heart problems. Okay, so this is the first cause, and this is the same reason why if you see the guidelines for diagnosing heart problems is different when compared to India and comparing to other parts of the world. So the criterias, all those things is slightly different here, because in the Indian population, the risk factors and all other conditions are different compared to other parts of the world. So this is the first one. If you see the second problem is lifestyle. Now, Indian population, they eat, they have too salty diet, and they also eat too much of sugar items. So when you eat more and more of salt items, it will eventually cause hypertension. Hypertension will lead to stiffening of the blood vessels. So if you see, we all know that the heart is supplying blood to all parts of the body. Now, the heart itself needs blood supply. So heart will will send blood to its own via the coronary arteries. Okay, so in this coronary artery, if there is any block or any clot, then the blood vessel to the heart, the blood flowing to the heart will be compromised. So if this happens, the patient will have severe chest pain and heart attack. Okay, so this hypertension and diabetes both can cause clots and can also change the shape of the blood vessels. They can make the blood vessels stiff, so there are more chance of having heart attack. So in the lifestyle, as I have said before, too salty diet causes hypertension, too sweet diet, sugary items causes diabetes. Now, because of this, the incidence is quite high in the Indian population. In the lifestyle, there is also another thing, lack of exercise. This lack of exercise, because of this, the obesity is increasing in Indian population. When there is obesity, there will be diabetes and hypertension, and then leading to heart problems. So this is the second reason, lifestyle. The third reason, it is diabetes. We all know that India is the capital of diabetes. When you see in the Indian population, because of their diet, as I've said before, there's increased chance of causing diabetes. Now, how this diabetes leads to heart problem is that this diabetes will cause inflammation in the blood vessels supplying to the heart, that is the coronary arteries. When there is inflammation, there are increased chances of forming clots. Also, there is increased sugar and diabetes. This increased levels of glucose. This glucose can settle in the heart vessels and also form clots. So by this, this diabetes is leading to heart problems in Indian young population, because most of the Indian population, you see, in their 40s itself, they are getting diabetes, and in 45s and 50s, easily they can get heart attack. Okay, so this is the third reason, diabetes. If you see the fourth reason, it is tobacco. Tobacco, using tobacco in the forms of cigarettes, BDs, and all this will cause increase in carbon monoxide. So when there is increase in carbon monoxide, the level of oxygen in the blood will will decrease a bit. So when the oxygen in blood is decreased, so each organ will have less oxygen. So even the heart will have less oxygen. If there is less oxygen, it is easy for the heart to undergo heart attack. That is myocardial infarction. Okay, so tobacco chewing and consumption of tobacco products is a bad thing for the heart. Okay, so the next cause, if we see, it is alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption in the Indian young population is quite high. This alcohol consumption will cause stiffening of the arteries, not only the coronary arteries but also many other arteries. So when the coronary arteries are stiffened, it will cause heart attack easily. This alcohol consumption can also increase the chances of getting diabetes, increase the chances of getting heart attack. No, sorry, increase the chance of getting hypertension. This diabetes and hypertension, I have said before, will lead to heart attacks. The final thing is, and very important one, is lack of sleep. So lack of sleep in the Indian young population today may be either due to binging Netflix or working late hours. So anything, lack of sleep, if you are not sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours a day, so that is definitely a risk factor for heart problems and many other problems as well. So how to prevent this? Now we have seen the six causes. So we'll see how to prevent these things. The ethnicity, we can't do much about it. So the next thing is lifestyle. We should decrease our salt in our diet. Adding excess salt, having pickles, having papads, and dried fish, salted fish, all those things are to be avoided even at an younger age. Then eating sweets, obviously we can't completely stop it, so we'll have to reduce eating sweets, and we'll have to exercise as well. At least 40 minutes per day of moderate intensity exercise, at least 5 times a week is recommended for everyone. So exercise is very important in today's lifestyle, and will definitely significantly reduce the risk of having heart attack in future. So using tobacco products are to be completely avoided, and alcohol drinking is also to be avoided. And then lack of sleep, we should try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Having a good sleep will give you a clearer mind, and will also decrease your general stress. When your general stress is decreased, the chances of having other problems will also decrease. So what you will have to do to prevent heart attack at a younger age is that you will have to follow a good diet, and good exercise is needed, proper sleep, and avoiding tobacco, alcohol, smoking is very important. So I hope you will follow all of these things, and let the incidents decrease very rapidly. Thank you.